I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Rice water toner works because boiled or fermented rice releases starches, amino acids, inositol, and B vitamins that soothe and brighten skin. These molecules temporarily improve hydration and can reduce redness with consistent use over weeks. It is inexpensive. 1 cup of rice yields about 1 to 2 cups of toner depending on soaking or boiling. Use rice water as a gentle toner after cleansing, pat on with a cotton pad, and follow with moisturizer. Avoid open wounds and severe acne without consulting a professional. Start with 1 cup of raw white or brown rice and rinse thoroughly under cool water to remove debris. Add 2 cups of filtered water and gently swish, then let soak for 30 minutes. Stir and strain the liquid into a clean glass jar, yielding about 1 cup of rice water. Optionally, ferment the strained water at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours to increase acidity and potential benefits. Then smell and refrigerate the toner for up to 1 week to 3 weeks if fermented. After cleansing, apply rice water toner with a cotton pad or by spritzing and gently patting into skin. Use once daily for sensitive skin or twice daily for normal skin. Refrigerate fresh rice water up to 1 week. Fermented rice water can last up to 3 weeks if kept cold and in a sealed jar. Always do a patch test behind the ear before facial use, avoid broken skin, and discontinue immediately if you experience irritation, stinging, or a rash. Seek professional care for persistent reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.